Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix setting restricted by TikTok to protect your privacy. So for this you can just open the TikTok application on this Android device. So when it's load you can skip this ad and you will have to go to the profile icon on the right side corner. So from here you can just go and in the settings. So from here you can just a little bit scroll down and here is the content preferences. So you can just open it and from here you can see the restricted mode off. So you can just turn it on and you will choose your restricted mode. So when to limit inappropriate content, so if you want to other reason you can just describe the reason, but you can select it most compulsory one of these. So you can just choose any one of this and just click to submit. So thanks for submitted and you will just set the password of 4 digits for restricted mode on and off. So I will just confirm it. So my restricted mode is turn it on. So this is how to fix it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.